Kami na kayo undang. Akong utok. Mingo na. Undang na. Hey, what's up? Good morning. Late na ako nakamata. No, I think alas 8:30 na karon. So, may makapugong, no? Warm up. And then after warm up, diretso na tayo. So, let's go. Good na. So, put aside. 5K na sad. No? Kapoy-kapoy lang yun ba? Pero, alamit man sad. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Kaya, kapit ako naman. Kapoy, yes. All you have to do is cross the line. Kinahanglan mo malampasan ng 5K. Kaya it is habit. Always remember, failure is a habit. And also, winning is a habit. So, even kapoy, diretso lang. Kami na kayo undang. Akong utok. Mingo na. Undang na. Pero, I want to push through. It's done. 5K, it's done. I love you, 5K. But, tinood lang. Dili siya lalim, no? In mental, in physical, nag-challenge, but kinahanglan lang nimo i-push through para maabot nimo 5K. So, I hope you guys nga mag-exercise mo, even small steps lang sa una. So, feel good, feel great, live more, and live better.